Hey, what's going on guys, you're watching FBHD Tech and today we will take a look at the Mi Smart Band 4 from Xiaomi, which was sent to me by Gearbest. This is Xiaomi's latest smart band and definitely a huge improvement over the previous generation, the Mi Band 3. But the question is it worth its price? Let's find out. Looking at the box, we can immediately see some key aspects of this smart band, which we'll cover in detail further into the review. Inside this simple looking packaging, you will find the smart band inside a small plastic bag, the USB cradle which is used to charge the smart band, and finally the user manual. Let's first start with the design of the smart band. Its simple and minimalistic look makes it not stand out that much. The silicone band is removable and replaceable with different colors to choose from, and it's also really comfortable to wear. The display has been upgraded to a full-color AMOLED display, which is 39.9% larger than the previous generation and also much brighter. The size of the display is 0.95 inches with a resolution of 120 by 240 pixels. The brightness of the display offers 5 modes, and when put at max brightness it can easily be used in direct sunlight. The display of the smart band is normally turned off, and then when you turn your wrist to look at the smart band, it will automatically turn on and the sensitivity can be adjusted in the app. Another great feature is that this smart band is 5 ATM water resistant, which means that it can go down to depths of 50 meters without taking any damage. It can perfectly be used for swimming and other water sports. The UI of the watch is simple and easy to use. You can swipe up and down to access different apps, and from within an app you can swipe right to go back. There is a touch button at the bottom of the display, which is used to turn the display on, and it also functions as a back button. From the home screen you can swipe left or right to access the media controls, and this is a feature that the previous generations did not have. This is really handy when your phone is in your pocket or bag and you just want to skip a song or just see what the name of the song is that is currently playing. The smart band has an automatic step counter and a heart rate sensor that can be used to continuously monitor your heart rate. It also offers workout tracking, which is great for the sport enthusiasts who would like to know how many calories they burned during their workout. This precise tracking of activities is possible due to the 3-axis gyroscope and 3-axis accelerometer that are positioned inside the smart band. Another health-related feature is sleep tracking, which allows you to see your sleep pattern and also gives you suggestions on how to improve it. I personally find this a really interesting feature because it gives you a lot of insight. This is also greatly complemented with the auto do not disturb mode, which can be activated on the smart band. In this way, the smart band will not vibrate when you get a notification if it detects that you are asleep. Speaking about notifications, the smart band will display the notifications that you get on your phone, but unfortunately there is no ability to interact with the notifications, like replying to a message. But it's still nice that you can check the notification without taking your phone out. One of the main aspects that makes this product a great deal is the smartphone app. The Mi Fit app is a great supplement to the smart band by visualizing the data from the smart band and allowing you to change its settings. The sleep data is nicely visualized with the duration of the sleep phases and also statistics on how you slept compared to other users. If you have continuous heart rate monitoring turned on, you can see the graph and statistics of your heart rate and also how it changes throughout the day. From the app, you can adjust a lot of settings, like selecting from which apps the notification will show on the smart band and many more. One feature worth mentioning is the ability to change the display face in the app. In this way, you can customize the look of your smart band to fit your style. Let's finally talk about charging and battery life. Charging of the smart band is done by removing the main part from the silicone strap and pressing it into the charging cradle. This is luckily something you are not going to do often because Xiaomi claims that this smart band can work up to 20 days on a single charge. This is for default settings with automatic heart rate tracking turned on with a period of 30 minutes. In my case, I set the heart rate tracking to a period of 1 minute, and in 4 days I only lost 35% of the battery, which is in my opinion great. They really made a product which will last long on a single charge, and this is also important if you're going to use the sleep monitoring function. That function would be completely useless if you had to take the smart band off and charge it every night. Keep in mind that the battery life will vary based on the usage and settings, but it can definitely keep up with even the heaviest users. In my opinion, this smartband is really a great deal for its price. The build quality is good, the smartphone app is really well made, and the smartband is also feature-packed with a really good battery life. Just keep in mind that this is a fitness band and not a smartwatch, so it won't offer you all the functionalities that a smartwatch would. If you are considering buying this smartband, I would definitely recommend you to do it because it really is a bang for the buck. As already mentioned, this review unit was provided to me by Gearbest, which is an online website where you can buy products like this smartband for a fair price. In the video description, there is a link that you can use to buy this smartband and also a coupon code that you can use to get a discount at checkout. Using this link helps support my channel at no extra cost to you and allows me to create better videos for you guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button, comment in the comment section below, subscribe to my channel to join our awesome tech community, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload future videos.